Hi there, I'm Bill Westrate, President and CEO-elect of the American Family Insurance Enterprise. In 2020, our customers, colleagues, and communities navigated challenges we've never seen before. But it wasn't just the pandemic. Our people demonstrated resiliency and delivered in the midst of the health crisis and equally historic economic, racial, and leadership crises as well. On this site, you'll see how we responded, living out our purpose to inspire, protect, and restore people's dreams. Like how we put more than $500 million back in our customers' pockets through our premium relief efforts. Or how we donated millions more to help schools, small businesses, and community members navigate the pandemic. And how we invested more than $11 million into social impact startups working to close equity gaps across America. At American Family, we believe in using our voice and resources to drive positive change. We hope the stories on this site inspire you the way they've inspired us, to keep fighting for progress in a world where everyone is empowered and free to pursue their dreams.